Kawasaki has once again demonstrated its remarkable innovation with the K-Racer X2 Unmanned drone project, a VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, aircraft powered by the legendary supercharged engine from the Kawasaki Ninja H2R. Yes, the same engine that powers one of the world's most extreme production motorcycles is now being used to lift a large drone into the sky. For years, many manufacturers have promised flying motorcycle concepts, but most have remained little more than prototypes or computer-generated renderings. The Kawasaki K-Racer X2, however, is a real-world technology that has already undergone extensive field testing. While it cannot yet be called a true flying motorcycle, it represents one of the closest steps toward the future of airborne transportation that has long existed only in our imagination. Kawasaki originally developed the K-Racer X2 to support logistics deliveries in remote regions and disaster-stricken areas. As development progressed, however, the company recognized much broader potential for the platform. The drone could become a fast and efficient aerial transport solution for a wide range of applications, including maritime operations and defense-related missions. Kawasaki aims for the K-Racer X2 to achieve a flight range of more than 100 kilometers, operate at altitudes of up to 3,000 meters above sea level, and carry payloads of up to 200 kilograms. This impressive carrying capacity would allow it to transport logistics supplies, emergency equipment, and operational materials for ships and offshore facilities. Throughout 2024, Kawasaki conducted numerous tests and demonstration flights. One of the most notable trials took place at Japan's Yokosuka Naval Base, where the K-Racer X2 was used to deliver cargo directly from a dock to a moored vessel. The results highlighted the drone's potential as an efficient logistics solution that can move supplies without requiring onboard crew or conventional transport vehicles. Looking ahead, Kawasaki plans to further enhance the drone's sensor suite and communication systems. These upgrades are expected to expand the K-Racer X2's capabilities into surveillance, monitoring, and more advanced defense applications. However, one thing remains unchanged: the unmistakable sound of the H2R engine. Watching and listening to the K-Racer X2 in operation makes it clear that this is not a stealth platform. The signature roar of Kawasaki's supercharged inline-4 engine is impossible to miss, making the drone far better suited for high-speed logistics missions than for silent operations.